dancing, Justin. You're a good dancer. What good dancers my boys are. You eating your strawberries, Justin? Sweetheart, and then we're going to wait for lunch, okay? Here, Justin. This is it until lunchtime, okay? Want me to make some lunch soon? What time do you guys usually eat lunch?